How to do a standing dumbbell single leg raise at the side. Alternating legs. This is a balance plus strength plus hip mobility move. Here's a step-by-step guide. How to do standing dumbbell. Single leg side raise, alternating. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with feet together. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at your sides, palms facing your body. Keep your core tight, chest up and shoulders back. 2. Movement. 1. Shift your weight slightly onto your left leg. 2. Lift your right leg out to the side. Abduction until it's about hip height, or as high as comfortable. Keep your legs straight but not locked. Your torso stays upright. Avoid leaning. 3. Lower the right leg back to the floor under control. 4. Immediately shift onto the right leg, and raise your left. Leg out to the side the same way. 5. Continue alternating sides in a smooth, controlled rhythm. 3. Breathing. Exhale as you lift your leg. Inhale as you return it down. Fear form tips. Keep your abs engaged to prevent swaying. Avoid leaning too much to the opposite side. Use balance, not momentum. Move slowly to really activate the hip muscles. Muscles worked. Primary. Hip abductors, gluteus medius and minimus. Outer thighs. Secondary. Gluteus maximus. Quadriceps, oblique, core for balance. Calves, support leg. Shoulders, forearms, holding dumbbells. Benefits. Strengthens and tones hips, glutes, and outer thighs. Improves balance and coordination. Engages core stability. Adds extra challenge to lower body when holding dumbbells. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.